Welcome back in the kitchen this morning with me, guys. I'm gonna be showing you how you can also make yourself a nice lovely green smoothie for breakfast in the morning. Very healthy and delicious, and I want to encourage you guys to make this one at home. So let's jump straight into it and give you the raw vegetable, which is also very good for you to use in the morning or whatever time you want to use that, but very healthy and delicious. Let's look at this. Excellent. So right here we have, this one is a parsley, okay, cucumber, green apple, ginger and lemon. We're going to be using all of that ingredients to make a beautiful smoothie from it this morning. Very healthy, and I want to encourage you to do this one at home. A good vibes. Let's do this, guys. Every morning you can drink this healthy drink, because number one, it's going to help you. Number two, if you want to lose weight or you want to detox the body, these are very powerful fruits you can use at home if you want. You know what I mean? Some people might just want to keep their shape, and some people might want to just detox up the body and lose up some weight and looking good for the new year ahead. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to make some noise by simple blend it. All right. We're just gonna blend it up. Yeah, a good vibes. So once you blend it, you don't need to strain it. You need to drink it to get all of that benefit from those ingredients inside of it. Okay. And yeah, that's the way it looks right there. That looks amazing. Okay. Also, remember, you guys can also get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose. All right. Yeah, man. Available for every one of you guys to support the progress of my show. Good vibes. Let's blend up this thing. Make some noise. Pour it out. All right. So we're gonna pour it off. Yeah. You don't wanna, this is just, I think this is just what you need to drink. Just perfect as it is right there. That's my advice. Okay, if you're looking for something fantastic and amazing, this is what you need to drink. Don't strain it, drink it naturally as it is. Good vibes. All right, guys, because if you strain it, you're gonna get rid of all of that vibes where you need in your system. Okay, so that's why I said it's best for you just to keep it natural as it is right there. You can put some chia seeds in it if you like to. If you like to just drink it naturally as it is the best way, like that. Yeah. All right. Here it is. Now, you can also blend it longer if you like to, but I think that's pretty good. You know what I mean? That's supposed to be pretty good on the blending right there. But if you want to blend it a little bit longer, you can if you like to, but I'll just leave it as that. Wow, so right here, this is it this morning. I make it. So what you want to do, you want to drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, if you can, or you can drink it during the day and get the one of that benefit. Look at that, amazing, so beautiful. So that's it right there, guys. I just finished make it, and that's the way it look. All right, so we're gonna finish it up now. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. A good vibes.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove top and raise. spices dancing in the breeze, cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud, drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air, Chef Ricardo sings.